Senior ZANU PF figures allegedly involved in drug trafficking. Minister warns. By a correspondent. Pindula Vertical Bar, the 4th of September 2025. HWANGE. Youth Empowerment and Development Minister Tinamudesh Machakere has delivered a shocking revelation, alleging that some senior figures within Zimbabwe's ruling party, ZANU PF, are engaged in drug trafficking and distribution, allegedly using the party's political clout as a shield for illicit activities. Speaking during a ZANU PF inter-district meeting in Hwange, Machakere condemned the ongoing crisis with rare bluntness, stating, "It's high time we call a spade a spade. Drugs are killing us. Drugs are destroying our nation." His remarks come at a time when substance abuse in Zimbabwe has reached alarming levels, particularly among youth. A 2025 Afrobarometer survey revealed that most citizens perceive drug and substance abuse as widespread within their communities. The epidemic is especially severe among young people aged 16 to 25, who account for approximately 80% of drug-related psychiatric admissions. Observers have compared the current crisis to the HIV/AIDS epidemic of the 1990s, noting that nearly every household has been affected either directly or indirectly. Machakere's comments suggest that despite government efforts to curb the problem, the fight against drugs may be undermined from within. When those tasked with leadership and governance are implicated, it compromises the effectiveness of law enforcement and social interventions, said a political analyst speaking on condition of anonymity. Machakere stressed the urgency of national awareness and community involvement in combating drug abuse, particularly targeting youth who are most vulnerable to the lure of narcotics. He highlighted the importance of empowering young people with education, employment opportunities, and social programs to reduce the demand for illicit substances. The minister's revelations have sent shockwaves through Hwange and beyond, reigniting debates over the intersection of politics, corruption, and criminal networks in Zimbabwe. Citizens are calling for transparency, accountability, and a stronger commitment from the ruling elite to prioritize national interests over personal gain. As the government continues its crackdown, Machakere's remarks serve as a stark reminder that addressing the drug crisis in Zimbabwe will require both robust enforcement and the elimination of corruption and complicity at all levels of leadership.